Hey guys, thanks for checking out this short video on SEO. The search engine optimization updates happen all the time from Google, and this is an important update that everyone should be aware of and focus on when you're optimizing your website. But I will take some time to just give some basics for people who doesn't know what SEO is. SEO, search engine optimization, is the way that you tell search engines what your website is about, what your business is about, what kind of products you sell. And you are basically building the trust and authority with Google and other search engines. So you are coming up high on these search engines. So take an example. When you go on to Google and search a keyword, flights to New York, you see results on the top that are pretty much paid, and then there are organic listings to follow. And where you really want to focus on is organic search today. The reason the SEO is gaining traction again, just because of the chat GPT and the integration of the AI with Bing search engine. Everybody's definitely concerned about what would happen to Google search paid ads. Would people use them, and what are the alternatives? And this is where search engine optimization gives a great opportunity for you to get back into the game. So why is it so important? And 68% of people, they start with the search engine, and 53% of the people told us that the traffic is coming from organic search. And 60% of the marketer states that blog content is their top quality score for the leads. So how do you build content? How do you build blog posts so you are generating this organic traffic? It's not free. It takes time to build the content and create the blog posts, and also understanding Google algorithmic changes so you're submitting your content and your website is still visible. So it's extremely important to understand how this whole game works and make sure you're there. Um, let's look at some of these basic SEO factors. So when you look at SEO, there is off-page search engine optimization, on-page search engine optimization, and then there's technical SEO. These are the three important aspects of SEO, and some companies do one or the other. But as a digital 360 agency, we focus on all three aspects of it, and also the local SEO. So, what is the new policy update? If you're new to SEO or a veteran, you already know the EAT policy that's kind of being used in the industry for a while. So, what Google was looking for is the expertise of the content that's being posted, and then what kind of authority this person and then the website or the brand has, and then is it trustworthy? And this is where the bounce rate comes in. So the more trust you have, higher the rankings on Google. But it's kind of connects to your expertise and authority as well. So you're positioning yourselves as the expert so that Google recognizes that and you're there. And what is the new E? So this is where the experience comes in. So the new factor in the algorithm is if you are a MD or medical spa professional, you want to showcase that expertise in a way that people are watching your videos and interacting with your social media posts. Um, Especially a lot of younger generation uses TikTok, and their parents do. And if you Google some of these keyword phrases, now you're seeing TikTok videos as well, along with YouTube Shorts. So, how do you use your experience in real time, in real life, and attach it to your expertise and authority so that you're building the trust? So, for example, I will show an example of what's happening with my personal brand. So, So if you Google like Seth Godin or Gary Vaynerchuk, like anybody icons of marketing industry, you see that authority knowledge panel right on the top, right? Like Seth Godin, author, and all his TED Talk to different books in his personal life. And when I look at my name, I also see that I have another graph and also my social media links are linked now. So pretty much all page one is about the person or the topic that people are looking for. And if I just search my last name, it shows my personal website, TEDx talk, and some of the other podcasts that I was on, and the TikTok responses that I was doing. So as YouTube Shorts, and I think there is a short lifespan for these TikToks and YouTube Shorts. So just something to be aware of. But again, this is how you build your expertise and showcase your experience. So, how do you build that trust? How do you build authority? How do you showcase your expertise and experience? There are different steps in terms of how this search engine optimization can be implemented and how you can take advantage of this new Google update and still be relevant in the industry and still ranking for those keywords that you're focused on. And I will be covering some of these core competencies in the upcoming videos. So if you like to subscribe or share this video, really appreciate that. And if you want to get in touch with myself or one of my team members, you can always call us or email us or check us on our website at roimediaworks.ca.